Desert soil formed in a region where rainfall is less and the region has a high temperature. Desert soil is red and brown in color, and the desert soil has water percolation is easy without retentive, and moisture get reduced in the soil. That means the water goes into the soil easily without holding the water. That is why the moisture in the soil gets reduced. Dates and bajra are grown in this soil. The desert soil is found in Punjab, Haryana, northwestern regions of Rajasthan, Kutch areas of western Gujarat, and also the western parts of the Aravalli mountains. Mountain soil found on the lower slopes of the mountains contains plenty of decayed organic matters, that is decomposed material of the organisms, and very rich in nitrogen and organic residues, that is decomposed material, suitable for the growth of coffee, tea, spices and fruits. The mountain soil mainly found on the foothills of the Himalayas. The main regions are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar and West Bengal. In this map we see the major types of soil distribution. That is, mountain soil is found in the northern mountains of Himalaya, and alluvial soil is covered by the northern plain. Red soil is found in the most part of the peninsular plateau. Black soil is found in the Deccan plateau. Laterite soil is found in the regions of western part of Western Ghats, and desert soil is found in the Thar desert region. Soil erosion. Soil erosion means transportation of surface soil by various natural forces. That is, transportation of soil, top layer of the soil, by running water, wind and sea waves. The causes of soil erosion are deforestation, means cutting of trees. Second one is overgrazing, means excessive consumption of vegetation by the livestock. Third one is the unscientific method of cultivation, means practicing old style of cultivation. Fourth one is the over irrigation, that is the application of excessive water to the crops or plants, that causes the soil erosion. Brisk flowing of water and floods, that is the fast or quick flow of water, and manufacture of bricks, tiles and pots using the top layer of the soil. All this causes the soil erosion. Effects of soil erosion. Because of the soil erosion leads to many problems. Soil erosion leads to the accumulation of silt in the river beds, that is deposition of silt on the lower bed of the river, that causes the floods. This accumulated silt also changes the course of the river, and deposited silt reduces the storage capacity of reservoir and lakes. This leads to the water percolation capacity gets reduced, and this dries up the natural springs. As the India is mainly dependent on the agriculture, its productivity also gets reduced. Hence, to preserve the fertility and productivity of the soil, the prevention of soil erosion is essential. Conservation of soil and management. Conservation of soil means prevention of soil erosion because of the natural forces, and protecting the fertility of the soil is known as conservation of soil. Along with the protecting the fertility of the soil, the soil is used in healthy way for increasing the agricultural produced is known as its management. The 5-year plan has given a lot of importance for soil conservation and management. Ways of preventing the soil erosion. First one is the counterflowing. This is the type of farming by which keeping the lines of counter on the slopy regions. Second one is the construction of bunds around the agricultural land, that is building the barriers or walls around the agricultural land with soil or stones. Third one is the development of terraced agricultural fields. This is mainly practiced in hilly regions. The agricultural lands are converted into step-like plots for the agriculture. Fourth one is the prevention of deforestation, that is reducing the cutting of trees, encouragement of afforestation, growing more trees, control of livestock grazing, that is overgrazing is reduced, and use of water in a planned way. Last one is the construction of dams, that is construction of small barriers across the stream or river.